put stuff in the middle of it.
Yeah, I don't. It's an easy.
You're going to the outside of that glass first. Going more Adam, on the soft board.
That's good. Still, I think I have you here because I already
Zell, yeah.
so. It's a. Oh my God, you're so funny. So let me do this.
She's happy with she showers. That's important.
Yeah, no, it's very good.
Yeah.
Okay, so.
She got a brush. Cool.
Jose?
And no,
Oh, no.
good job.
Yeah, he did a very good job.
I sent it to you already.
Go to the frame itself.
Just to the frame. You gonna make it?
It's gonna be a little tight, but we'll get it.
What do you want? Screwdrivers?
Yeah.
Bottom.
Same thing on top. Okay, try that one.
So this is the bottom. Let me put this here. We're gonna mix up.
You got a pencil in it, just with pressure. Good up now. One. Getting it all the way. You got something? Take it back with it. Ow!
It's thick, isn't it? You never envisioned it being that thick.
If you want to put it in a piece
This is the outside though, right? So we gotta you gotta come to my side, I gotta go to your side. Just come out that way and go that way. This is the outside, so we gotta flip it around. This is the out.
Randy, you have a third section
I can't get mine in. Come all the way to me.
$46.76 double pane sliding door glass, and it's raining. This is what's going on Oh, 46.76. This is a tall piece of glass. So the long guy break this glass.
Brenda, you got the brush? You want to brush out? Hold on. Alright. Which one we going to?
This one.
That one, right? I think you gotta take this one out. There you go, there you go, there you go. Come on. Alright.
Hold on, something's not right.
It's got glass in there, I think, still.